Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Honor Magic V6. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. This is a quick restart, of course, and we're gonna just go to Wi-Fi, turn it off and turn it on. Now that was a quick restart. Now what are we gonna do is we're gonna forget the network that we're using. We're gonna click here and click on forget. Of course, we're gonna select the same network and we're gonna enter the password. So we're gonna unconnect and reconnect. So we're gonna disconnect from the network and we're gonna reconnect to it again, but we wanna make sure that we forget it. Now, what are we gonna do is we're gonna restart the router and a phone. So to restart the router, all you really need is to get the SIM tray opener or anything like this. So it has to be a small pin that you can put inside the reset, so you can either reset it or you can just restart it by pressing the switch, so turn it off and on. Now to restart the phone, you press the power button and volume up button at the same time. You tap on restart and tap to restart again. Now the phone is restarting and I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now, after the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to check for software updates. So we want to do it basically in the settings. We want to open the settings up. Now scroll down and go to system and updates. Go to software update. And as you guys can see, it is checking automatically. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's basically it for the video. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.